everyday dreams go beyond.
Planning Manager, Senior Planning Engineer. Work location, Abu Dhabi at Dubai Al Dhafra. We are seeking a highly experienced planning manager to lead for our residential and villa construction projects across the UAE. Lead the planning and scheduling activities for building construction projects from initiation to completion. Develop, monitor, and update project programs using Primavera, P6, or equivalent software. Coordinate with project managers, engineers, and stakeholders to ensure timely project execution. Identify potential delays, risks, and bottlenecks, and propose effective mitigation plans. Monitor resource allocation, progress, and performance against project baselines. Prepare and present detailed progress reports, dashboards, and time impact analyses. Requirements: bachelor's degree in civil engineering or related field. Minimum 10 to 15 years of experience in planning and project control within building construction. Proven experience in high-rise, villa, or large-scale building projects. Strong knowledge of Primavera P6, MS Project, and project management principles. Excellent analytical, organizational, and communication skills. UAE experience is mandatory.
Good package will be offered. Salary will be based on the candidate's experience and interview performance. UAE-based candidates only apply. Interested candidates, please send your CV only to anisha.jayan@alrawabit.com. Please mention the position you are applying for in the subject line. Subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications to stay updated on the latest career opportunities in the UAE.